Pure juice begins at the source. Only mature leaves are chosen.
Freshness is handled gently. Precision protects purity. Natural bitterness is released. Only clean leaves move forward.
Traceability begins here.
Volume gathers at the edge.
The journey to processing begins.
Freshness is protected in transit. Environment is sealed. Cooling preserves the gel. Distance is carefully managed.
Conditions remain controlled.
Processing draws closer. Arrival is regulated.
Intake begins with checks.
Positioning is exact.
Processing begins at the threshold.
Integrity is verified.
Movement remains controlled.
The plant welcomes the leaf. Scale supports demand. Cleanliness comes first. Every leaf is logged. Manual effort hands off to machines. The system awaits activation. Preparation begins now. Water removes the field. Gentle force cleans thoroughly. Contact is careful measured. Purity improves with rinsing. Excess is released.
Only intact leaves remain.
Uniformity simplifies extraction. Clean leaves earn progress. Preparation meets precision. Extraction is next. Outer defenses are removed. Only the usable core remains.
Gel is released intact.
Skin gives way to clarity. Purity stands exposed. Clarity confirms quality. Bitterness is washed away.
Moisture finds balance.
Preparation for extraction continues.
Form changes, purity stays.
Structure breaks, essence remains. Pressure unlocks hydration. Fresh juice takes shape. Only smoothness proceeds. Freshness is contained. Nothing pure is wasted. Balance is maintained. Clarity is refined. Transparency signals purity. Preservation begins gently. Stability protects natural properties.
Automation watches constantly.
Isolation ensures purity.
Consistency is engineered.
Clarity is verified digitally.
Freshness is shielded. The system never rests. Systems approve progression.
Uniformity is restored.
Final preparation begins. Clean containers protect purity. Precision begins with placement. Measured flow preserves balance. Freshness is locked in. Integrity is tested. Only the inside matters. Verification is next. Every bottle is examined.
Clarity reveals care.
Natural color stays constant. Volume meets specification.
Safety is verified scientifically. Data confirms purity. Balance is maintained. Distribution prepares to begin. Protection continues beyond the bottle. Order prevents damage. Traceability travels with every unit. Volume meets structure. Storage stabilizes supply. Conditions remain ideal.
And this is how modern factories produce aloe vera juice from start to finish.
Distribution takes form.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.